right time, but IIFL's Nemkumar begs to differ.
Several large businesses have actually become mid-caps because the market caps are so low. And several small businesses are trading like large caps because the valuations are so expensive. As a group, I think next few years, to my mind, large caps should outperform mid-caps.
A number of large cap sectors have become uninvestable, and therefore people are looking for growth stories in quality mid-caps, and therefore quality mid-caps trading at a premium to several of their large cap, not only just peers but many large cap stocks.
So high inflation has become low inflation. Your FDI inflows are more than the current account deficit of the country after a long time. Fiscal deficit is moderating, inflation is down, interest rates have come down a bit. I think they should go down more. And I think there are definitive signs about a strong recovery in capital expenditure over the next few years.
There is a justifiable reason for the derating of the market. Now, for the year, the outlook remains very challenging, notwithstanding the bumpy start that we have had this year. I don't see things bottoming out anytime soon.
I think we are probably at the end of the asset quality problems. So today we see substantial progress on the infra side. So I think the asset quality pain is linked to economic cycles, and we are coming to the end of it.
I'm more worried about sectors like banking because the non-performing assets, you could see an acceleration. The issue is that you disaggregate this across sectors and then see where what can drive a turnaround in growth. I am not able to get that comfort as of now.
Whenever in India we have seen markets correct around reasonable valuations driven by external challenges, these have proved to be great times to invest. So I think the Indian investor is also realizing, even though slightly belatedly, the attractiveness, the charm of equities.
In a phase where earnings growth is weak or earnings downgrade momentum has not waned, I think just looking at valuations alone is not going to help. My read is that till such time one of these start to change, either risk premia starts to shrink or earnings growth visibility starts to rise, there's no point in trying to bottom fish in this market.
Expert opinion there clearly divided on whether to enter the market at this point or not.